The Great Wall of the Ming Dynasty is located in Gubika Town, Mian District, Beijing, adjacent to Gubei Water Town, 120 kilometers away from Beijing. It was built in the early years of Ming Hongwu and was built on the basis of the Great Wall of the Northern Qi Dynasty. During the Ming Wanli period, it was refurbished by Qi Jiguang and other renovations, with a total length of 5.7 kilometers and 35 enemy buildings. It is a denser section of the Great Wall. The Simatai Great Wall is dangerous, dense, strange, clever, and well-known. The wall is built along a steep ridge. The latter slope is as high as 85 degrees. The terrain is steep. The distance between the enemy buildings is 60 to 350 meters. The shape is diverse and the structure of the city wall is unique. It integrates various styles of the Great Wall and retains the original style of the Great Wall of the. Listed as a World Heritage Site in 1987, it is called the original Great Wall by the United Nations.